Hey singers, as you probably know, microphones can be like a petri dish full of germs. They're full of lipstick and beer and smoke and all kinds of gunk that can be kind of disgusting. So, obviously, if you can bring your own microphone to the gig, that's ideal. But let's say, for example, you are singing at a jam session and you have to use the microphone that's on the stage. Well, here's what I do. I go to the pharmacy and I buy these little guys. These are little alcohol pads. They're the same ones that doctors use, and you can buy a whole box of these really cheap, okay? And because they're discreet and they're always fresh, if you just tear it off, you find the alcohol pad inside. You just clean the microphone, discreetly. Nobody has to know what you're doing. You don't have to bring a big spray bottle on the stage. And that way, you will feel a little bit more confident that you're not going to catch whatever the last singer had.